Welcome to the first plugin for Unity for the Voxon Photonics VX1. So in our initial scene I've created 4 diffuse color materials which we're going to use for this exercise. First step is to go to your downloads and drop in the Voxon Unity asset folder into your own asset folder. Next, create a folder under your assets called Streaming Assets. We're now going to create some mesh items to appear in our scene. The next step is to assign them each a color. In this case, we've just created 3 primary colors and 1 secondary color just to show the color rendering capability. Some capsule red. So that's the scene ready to render. To do that, we need to go to the prefabs folder and drag in the capture volume, which represents the bounding volume of the Voxon VX1. Clicking on that volume, you can then change the scale, shrinking it down to suit the size of your volume. And that's pretty much it. We're just going to make sure the objects all appear within inside the volume, and now we're going to build out the folder. So we're going to go to File, Build Settings, and Player Settings. There are a few options we need to set in here that are very important under the Resolution and Presentations tab, and these are Run in Background, Visible in Background, and Force Single Instance. So make sure those 3 tick boxes are ticked. Once you've done this, build your project, and you'll see in your output folder the executable will appear. We need to add 2 more items to this folder, which are found in your default settings folder. And the final stage is to create a shortcut to your executable. Edit the properties of that shortcut and add -batch mode on the end. What that does is it will run the Voxon GUI without trying to generate the actual Unity window. So now let's test our program and see how it works. So we're now running the simulator. You can see the items appearing in the simulator. Hitting the slash menu will bring up the menu, and you can see how you can rotate the scene on the VX1. And that's it for just now. One note that if you try running the program directly within the Unity editor, there is currently a problem with the rendering of the DLL within the Unity subsystem, and it may crash the Unity editor. So just build out your sessions before you test them. Thank you.